Hi everyone and welcome back to Googie's Kitchen, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis, and during the month of December, to help you with the festive season, I'm going to be posting 4 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love recipe videos like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how to make my delicious lemon buttered Herby fish. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make my delicious lemon buttered Herby fish. Now this recipe is really easy to do, and I thought this would be a great one for the festive season because it's so quick, simple and easy, but also really tasty as well. And it's a nice dish to have on Christmas Eve before the big blowout of Christmas Day maybe, or you could have it during the festive season as well. It's also a really delicious dish to have all year round as well. So if you wanted to eat this in the summer, I think this is a really nice dish. The lemon makes it very refreshing, so in the summer that would be delicious. So yes, as I said, we're going to be having this for our dinner this evening, and while we're having it I thought I'd share the recipe with you. So here is how to make my delicious lemon buttered Herby fish. Firstly, I'm going to preheat my grill to a high temperature. Next, I have just simply melted my butter in a pan on a low heat until it looks like liquid. You don't want to heat it up, you just simply want to melt it. Now that my butter is melted, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my fish into this bowl, and I'm going to pour over the melted butter. So I'm just going to pour this over the fish like so, and then to that I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon and the zest as well of half a lemon. I'm using half a lemon. In the original recipe I think I said this serves 4, so if you are serving 4 it would be a whole lemon, and it would be 50 grams of butter instead of 25 as well. So now I'm just going to pour over the lemon juice as well, and I'm going to mix these together. So the fish is all covered in the lemon juice and the butter, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this onto a baking tray like so, and I'm just going to pour the last of the lemon butter over the top, and then I'm just going to go and wash my hands because I've been dealing with raw fish. So I've washed my hands, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle over some herbs. I'm going to do that the other way actually. I'm going to sprinkle over some herbs onto the fish like so, and this just adds an extra bit of flavour to the fish, makes it really nice and tasty. And now I'm going to put this under the grill for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the fish starts to flake away from itself. That's when you know it's cooked. The fish is cooked, and I'll just get a big bit at the end, and as you can see it's flaking away, the flesh is flaking away from itself quite nicely, so that is definitely cooked. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out, and I've cooked some rice, so I'm just going to scoop this up and put it on top of the rice and the vegetables that I've cooked, and that is our dinner done. As I said, I'm serving this with some brown rice, but you could serve it with jasmine rice if you wanted to, or you can also serve it with potatoes as well, and sweet potato goes really nice with this as well. So I'm just going to serve myself a bit of the rice, and then I'm going to grab a piece of fish and I'm just going to put it on top like so. There's a bit broken off there, so I know what I'm going to do with that. I'm going to actually eat that piece. As you can see, there is a plain piece here, and that is my son's. He doesn't really like it with the lemon and butter and herbs on, so I've just done him a plain piece of fish for dinner. So yes, I'm just going to try this now. You can certainly taste the lemon and the butter in there, and the herbs as well. It's a really refreshing flavour, so I think it would be really nice as a Christmas Eve dinner. So yes, anyway, I'm going to eat this now because it's so tasty, I can't wait. So that's how you make my delicious lemon buttered Herby fish, and that recipe I will link in the description box below for you. As I said earlier, I'm going to be having this for my dinner this evening, and again it smells so good and tastes so good that I cannot wait to eat it. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.